taking your time and tuning in. What we just saw was an introduction to the street car takeover that was held in Bristol, Tennessee this past Saturday. You'll see the rest of that video coming up. Just wanted to take a few minutes and thanks to those that have subscribed and encourage people to subscribe moving forward so you won't miss out any of the other content that's coming up. I'll be attending the Slammed Enough car show in October, and also some other local car shows that are coming up as well. If you have any car shows that you would like filmed, just please reach out. Thank you again and enjoy the video.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
Oh wow. The Sissio Corvette will be in the right lane. The Evo will be in the left lane. Cameron Schism in the left lane out of Johnson's. Well, that is not a 93 Mustang. Probably. Okay, well, we got the Evo in the left lane. Beautiful C8 Corvette in the right lane, just the right amount of carbon fiber, got the right wheels and tires on it. The biggest thing is those twin turbos up the back front. All-wheel drive four-cylinder in the left lane. The big bad V8 in the right lane. And the Vet goes 141.80, left lane goes 143. This is a stream coming out of 6 and 7 down there. We're looking for 157.99. That is the breakdown. Cap the right lane, putting in work. Down there, gets on the brakes, goes 120. Up here looking at EPs again. Ooh, the BMW tag says V8 Hunter. Will the hunter become the hunted? Mopar versus BMW. Right, it is your responsibility to pace that car in the left lane. You just never really got off there. So we got the Supra taking on the GTR, the Godzilla. West Virginia plates on this hot rod. Student driver, he says. Supra. I think the Supra's got him. Yes, sir. 149.66 miles per hour to turn on the wind light with the little Supra there. And here comes the Cadillac CTSV. in the left lane, and Mr. Chase over here in the right lane with his Audi R8. So there's Chase there. Not looking good for the home team, boys and girls. Looks like America going to turn on the win light here in the left lane, and he does. 150.61. Looks to be Donald Sims out of Greenville, Tennessee. And here comes my MR dude. I like it. Mid-engine, super cool sports cars. I believe this is our true buy here. Through there. It's like, I ain't got to beat nobody. I'm going to save my car for this next round. Slow old man is the tag on the vet here. CR1.
Like that. I don't know if that's true or not. No. That's a fast car. That's fast, yeah.
He just gave you a little touch of what he had. Too long. Take on Brian Caskey in the Viper. That's why they or something. Oh, it's drove around left lane. Goes 134.14. Turns on the win line. El Rojo in the 19 Challenger. Face off against the next challenge. Whatever. The Mustang got beat. It's a nice roll up to 40, not. Let's see how fast we can get to 40 in roll. I don't know how it works. I just tell everybody every weekend. But I think it backfired. The Jeep was like, I'm your Huckleberry. We can play that game. And he did a peely out. And he got there first. This brings up a little EG Civic in the right lane. Probably one of the only cars that doesn't have a backup cam to back up against the wall. It's crazy. Once you get one of those things, how much you rely on it. Four-cylinder Honda cars, right? The 660. Looks like the Camaro might be getting the advantage down there. It does. 103 in the left lane, 125 for the Civic. Here's an odd couple. The big body Audi, the four-door, taking on the pick-em-up truck. And didn't the myth get busted about the tailgates? Did it or did it not? I don't know. I think Mythbusters decided that it really didn't do much. We're going to find out if it does much against the little Audi right here. Unfortunately, dealing with the Eco Boost, I don't quite get it. Does economy kick in? What? I don't know. I don't want to name my hot rod anything economy. 125 in the left lane for the Audi. 99 for the pickup truck.
I don't think we've ever seen a pickup truck go that fast.
Come get it. That's what the back window says on the Camaro. The tag, Aaliyah.